A town has a population of 8,000 people in 2005. By 2014, the population has grown to 9,305 people. Find a linear function to represent the population p as a function of time t in years since 2000. Our first key word is that we are looking for a linear function, so we automatically think about the form y is equal to mx plus b. But we want to remember not to always think in terms of x and y. We look for the key phrase as a function of, and we know that the variable that comes before that is our dependent variable, and the variable that comes after that is our independent variable. So we are looking for a linear function of the form p is equal to mt plus b. We notice that t is time in years since 2000. This means that instead of using the value 2005, I will use t is equal to 5. And instead of using 2014, I will use the value t is equal to 14. When I calculate my slope, I will have the change in the dependent variable divided by the change in the independent variable. So I will have the change in p divided by the change in t. So I will have my second population, 9,305, minus my first population, 8,000, divided by my second time, 14, minus my first time of 5. So 9,305 minus 8,000 will be 1,305, divided by 14 minus 5 is 9, so I will get 145. The values on the top were both population values, so that's people. The values on the bottom were both years, so I get 145 people per year. So I will have p minus my first p value of 8,000 is equal to 145 outside of t minus my first t value was 5. So p minus 8,000 is equal to 145t minus 725. So p is equal to 145 times t plus 7,275.